Hey guys, so today I'm going to show a simple trick in Snapseed app which can give your photo an amazing effect. So just go into tools and select Vignette. In Vignette, you can just simply drag to the left on your screen to create a dark effect. You can tap in the middle and move this pointer to wherever you want to create the lighted part, the brighter part, just like this. So very easily you can give your photo a better look. This works much better, of course, if the photo is better. This is just a home taken photo, so please ignore the photo, but it will give amazing effect if the photo is good. Then you can export it easily using this export option. This can be done in the Snapseed app.